Very good morning students. Welcome to Narayana Digi classes. Let's start our key first assignment for the class 9. And coming to the first bit, cells that do not have a nuclear membrane bound nuclear material is called dash cells. So we know that the cells which do not contain particular nuclear bound membrane, they are called as prokaryotic cells. And the second one, protoplasm means. We know that proto means life, plasm means fluid. So protoplasm means life fluid. The dash regulates and controls all the functions of the cell. So, which is the controlling unit of the cell? Nucleus. The dash is a tough but flexible porous layer that lends a definite shape. So, if you observe a cell, what is a tough rigid layer and porous? Porous means having many holes. So, that is the cell wall. Cell membrane is flexible and is made up of mainly dash and proteins. So, the cell membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. So, in the given options, which word is related to lipids? Fats. And the last one, cell wall is present in. So, the extra protective layer called cell wall, it is present in both bacterial cell and plant cell. Next, coming to the question and answers. First one, why the plasma membrane is called selectively permeable membrane? We know that all the cells are covered by a protective layer, that is the plasma membrane or the cell membrane. So, what is the specification of this membrane? Its uniqueness, it only allows some substances to pass through them. It selects the substances. That's why it is called as selectively permeable membrane. The uniqueness of plasma membrane lies that it allows the substances only some substances to pass through it. Hence, it is called as selectively permeable membrane. And coming to the last one, draw a neat label diagram of nucleus. So the important part, important cell organelle, that is the nucleus. Nucleus, it is a double membrane structure. And at continuous intervals, it is having some gaps. And inside the nucleus, one ball-shaped structure is there. It is called nucleolus. And this is the genetic material. So, the outer lining which covers the nucleus, it is called as nuclear membrane. And this is the genetic material. And this is the nucleolus. And the liquid which is present inside the nucleus, it is called as nucleoplasm. Okay, so these are the answers. All the best, students.